Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to fix corrupted USB or SD card. Many of you might be facing the issue with your USB or SD card that it is not detected or it will ask to format the USB but you are not able to do that. The first scenario I'm going to check is the USB is not getting detected in my PC. So you can see that there are a lot of drives and volumes but my USB drive is not detected. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to go to the start menu, just right click on it, and from here just go to disk management. Just wait till the information loads, and here just go down, scroll down, and here at the end you can see that there is a removable disk which is my USB, but it has not been detected here. It shows that it is unallocated. This is the issue that your USB is not getting detected. So to solve that, what you have to do is just right click on it, click new simple volume. Before that, I'll open this. You can see it here, it is not detected. So right click on it, then click new simple volume, then click on next, then select the volume space, then next. Then here you have to assign the letter. You have to assign a letter which is not currently used. So by default it will take H, or if you want you can assign a different letter. Now click on next, and here you can define the file system whether it is NTFS or FAT32. So I am selecting it FAT32, and you can define the rolling label here. I am defining it as SanDisk. Now click on next. Now we can see a summary of it, and then click on finish. Just wait is complete. Now you can see that the volume has been created and is available here. You can open it and check it. It is already formatted. If you want, you can do a format again, a quick format. You can see that the format is successfully completed. So this is one quick solution. Now the next problem with the USB is that you are able to see the USB drive, but you are not able to access it. If you click on it, it will say that format disk. And if you try to format it, it doesn't work. It will repeatedly show that Windows was unable to complete the formatting. So in that case, in this case also you can do the same method. Just right click on the start, then go to the disk management. Now go down and then click on new simple volume, then click on next, next, assign, and change the file system. Then click on next, finish it. You can see that the issue is solved right now. Now close it. And now in some cases you will be facing issues that you can detect it here, but you will not be able to access it from the file explorer. In that case, again you have to go here to the disk management, the drive, it will list here, and then right click on it and then click on change drive letter and path. Now click on change. Now from here you can assign a different letter and then click on OK. Click yes, and after completing it you will be able to access it in the file explorer. And in some cases, even the disk management doesn't shows this USB or the memory card. In that case, it's always advised to switch USB to a different port physically in your computer. You can try different ports in your computer and see if it detects. If it detects, then it is well and good. If not, what you have to do is just right click on the start, then click on run, and then type your power cfg.cpl and run it. This is the power management. From here, just click on change plan settings, and now from here go to change advanced power settings, and then here on the left side just go to USB settings and then expand USB selective suspend settings, and if it is enabled, just disable it and click on apply, and then try connecting your USB and it will definitely detect. If still you have the issues like earlier which I have shown that the USB is detected but it's not showing the space or you are not able to format it, in that case you have to do the fixes from the command prompt. For that, just go to the start, from there go to the CMD command prompt and run it as an administrator, and then type disk part. Then to list all the disk available, just type in list disk, and this will list all the disk. Now you have the two USB drives, that is one disk 3 and disk 4, which we have repaired. This is the first one and this is the second one. Now you have to select the disk which you have the problem. So I'll select the second one. So just type in select disk 4. Now the disk has been selected. So now to clean the disk, just type in command clean and enter. Now once the disk is cleaned, now you have to create the partition. For that, just enter, just type in create partition primary, then enter. Now the next thing is to format the file system. For that, just type in the command format, then space fs equal, then you have to mention the file system, if it is a FAT system or NTFS. So I'm doing exFAT, then quick. Now the format is completed. Now you have to assign a letter for your disk. So for that, just enter the prompt assign letter equal K. You can assign any letter which is not taken by any of the volume, and then click on enter. So you can see that the USB drive has been changed to letter K. These are the direct methods which you can use to fix the issues with related to your USB. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.